Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Doing some cupcake soaps today, inspired by real cupcakes that I came across on Pinterest, and they looked like little tiny miniature beehives. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Of course, there's going to be lots of honey themed things in this soap. I just added some colloidal oatmeal into my oils here. Also have my coconut milk powder in there and my kaolin clay. Ooh, and honey. I'm going to add some honey. And I have diluted it in some water so that it is easier to mix in. So we'll just put a little bit of honey in there. Looks good. And we'll give this a mix. I've also got my sodium lactate and Tussa silk in my lye solution. And this is going to be the base. Give that a quick little mix. And then I'm going to color it with some activated charcoal and some black oxide pigment to make the bottom of the cupcake base black. That looks good. I'm going to go ahead and add my fragrance. It is a caramel and honey from Nurture soap. It says no acceleration and it has a medium tan discoloration, even though it says 0% vanillin in it. But we will see. So the notes in this are, let's turn the scale on first. It is creamy honey, hints of citrus with floral on top of vanilla, musk, and caramel. So I'm going to hand mix that in. And when I bought this, I specifically bought this for this design of soap, thinking it was something new and different. I wonder if, I don't know. I'm just curious how it's going to react. I bought this thinking it was something totally different when I saw caramel and honey, and then when I got it and opened it up and took a sniff out of it, I was like, I know what this smell is. I've smelt it before. And then I read that it was a Lush dupe of Honey I Wash the Kids. And I have used that fragrance before. I typically put it in my House Loyalty Hufflepuff inspired soap. So nothing new, but that is what this scent is, a Lush dupe. It smells really good. So it's a winner in my book. Alright, let's get the cupcake molds over here and we'll start pouring. Some dollops on here. You know it's a good fragrance when it takes forever for your frosting to set up. What I want to try and do is take this yellow frosting and make these look like beehives. So I'm just going to swirl it around like that. I like it. Not your everyday typical frosting tip. I'm using the coupler. Thought it was a bigger hole than the open tip that I have. Open round tip. So I'll just go ahead and top each one of these and I will show you what embeds are going to go on. Okay, going on top of these I have these little honeycomb pieces that'll just stick out like so. And then I have these little bees that I think I'm going to put on the side as well, like on another side. And then I will probably do a little honey look drizzle to the tops of these as well. And that would be it. And I think they're adorable. I do have a confession to make, and that is I'm realizing that I don't like making cupcake soaps. Not that I don't like making them, I don't like packaging them. I'm finding since I've made so many of them between the cactus cupcakes, the blackberry jam cupcakes, and I think I did one other kind of cupcake last release, and it was such a pain in the butt because they're such an awkward shape trying to get them to fit in the box with other shapes of soaps. But I will keep making them because when you have an idea, you just gotta do it. I think I'll put a little glitter on these as well. These are so cute. Get my honey drizzle. I'll let these sit for 24 hours and then I'll come back and unmold them. Alright, we are going to take the liners off, and they peel right off, like so. I really love that melt and pour drizzle on there. It really did add like a very nice finishing touch. Super cute. I love them. Of course I do. I think I love all the soaps I make, right? So these will be available on June 26th. It's the next shop update. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Any questions or comments, you can leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day. I will smell you later.